Leaders of the future. Continuing on our topic of typical workplace observations and standing out from the crowd by not doing what everyone else is. Today we're diving into a topic that splits the pack. Attitude. In any workplace, you'll find a spectrum. But most seem to go through the motions, constantly complaining or appearing disinterested. Then there are those who stand out. They bring a positive energy, a can-do spirit, and a genuine interest in what they're doing. Let's face it, complaining happens. A rough commute, a challenging task, or a difficult coworker can all trigger negativity. But here's the thing, constant complaining is a drag, for you and everyone around you. It creates a toxic environment and stifles growth. Now here's the good news. Your attitude is a superpower in your control. Shifting your perspective from complaining to positivity can be a game changer. Positive people are problem solvers. Instead of dwelling on issues, they look for solutions. They approach challenges with an I can attitude, making them valuable assets. Positivity breeds positivity. Your energy is contagious. When you're upbeat and enthusiastic, it elevates those around you, creating a more productive and enjoyable work environment. Leadership takes notice. People who consistently bring a positive attitude stand out. Leaders recognize those who can navigate challenges with a smile and a solution-oriented mindset. So, how do you swap complaints for a can-do spirit? Here are some actionable tips. Start your day right. Set a positive intention for the day. Listen to uplifting music, practice gratitude, or visualize yourself succeeding. Reframe challenges. Instead of complaining, "This project is a mess," try, "This is a great opportunity to learn something new." Focus on solutions. When faced with an issue, don't just complain. Brainstorm solutions and take initiative to tackle them. Celebrate wins. Big or small, acknowledge your accomplishments and the accomplishments of your team. Remember, a positive attitude is a choice. By taking control of your mindset and focusing on solutions, you'll stand out from the crowd, become a valuable asset, and position yourself for leadership success. Leave a comment below and let me know your favorite strategy for staying positive at work. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on becoming a leader of the future.